Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another tutorial. In this video guys, I will be showing you how you can actually add notes to your Instagram account and much more information about it, like how you can add it, remove it, how you can see your friends' notes, and how you can select which ones you want them to see or just make it public for everyone. So first of all, make sure that you are using the like phone or PC that you have your Instagram account in it. It doesn't matter with whatever tool you are using, either it is a phone or a PC, as I said before. You just have to open your Instagram. So for those who have like phone, you can just go ahead and open it from your App Store. By going to App Store, you search for Instagram, and right after that you click in here, go to Instagram, and you have to download it if you don't have it already. Download it. So right after you click on it and open it, it will be open up something like that. Of course, as you all know, or for those who doesn't know, Instagram has 2 or 3 features, which is the stories over here, the posts or images, and the reels. So now the Instagram added the new option, which is the notes. The notes are basically some text or emojis that you can put them in the messages or the DM section, which can everyone like of your friends list or your followers can see it. Of course, you can remove or select the ones that you want them to see it. So now what you have to do basically is click on top right corner, which is going to your DMs, and this page will be open for you. As you can see here, here is an example of a note, which is the guy next to me said "you good." This is a note. Of course, in order to add a note by your own self, you just have to click on leave a note, and from here you write whatever you like. So let's say something like I feel good, and here we can, from here we can click on share, and it will be published for everyone. Of course, you can remove or edit the notes by going here, leave a note or delete a note. So if you click on delete a note, it will be deleted. And from here guys, for example, if I write in I feel good, from here guys you can choose between followers you follow back or close friends. So from here you can choose who can see your notes, whether it is your followers or it is your close friends that you have added them to your close friends list. So hey guys, that was all with the notes section in Instagram. So if you were still up to this moment, thank you guys for watching, and see ya in the next tutorial. Bye bye.